In recent weeks, tensions between Venezuela and the United States have risen, following a series of military and political developments. The United States has reportedly deployed 8 naval vessels to the Caribbean as part of an expanded anti-narcotics operation, while also increasing the reward for information leading to the arrest of Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro to $15 million, as announced by the U.S. Department of State. In response, Maduro ordered the mobilization of Venezuela's armed forces and civilian militias, stating that the country would defend itself against any foreign aggression. These actions have contributed to heightened concerns about the potential for further confrontation between the two nations. The report concludes by asking viewers to share their perspectives on whether these developments could lead to a direct conflict.